and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be planning in my catch-all for the month of June. June is my birthday month, and the kit I am going to be using is from the Scrappy Fox. I don't know if you can still get this kit, but it's called It's My Party. It is Disney themed. So let's just jump right on into it. When does Saturday? Okay. That is right. Saturday. So I am a Sunday start girly. Doesn't quite fit. That's okay. Okay, yeah, that one does come off. Sweet. Here we go. Alright, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. And does this one come off? No, it does not. Okay, that's fine. We will do this guy here. And then my sidebar will go here. Oops. Alright. Okay. So now that that's good and done, I need this guy. We're gonna put June right here. So my daughter and I's birthday is in June. Where's Sunday? So that's why I wanted to use this kit. Plus I have a couple kits, I think, still from the Scrappy Fox that I'm just gonna use or try to use. Come on. Use up. This Monday sticker does not want to come up. Oh, I should make sure you guys are in frame. My bad. Okay, come on. Nope. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I hope you guys are doing good. And had a wonderful weekend. We had a good holiday. Glad to be, love to visit family, but glad to be home. That is one thing we are glad to be home. Getting everybody back into, you know, into our routine again, because my husband had to go into work, and today, and our daughter is very tired because we were just go all weekend, and she got to hang out with her aunt and uncles, and yeah, it was just a good old fun time that we had. I'm gonna open up my, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Had to open up my social media planner because that's dated. I don't want to try to go off the top of my head. No, no, no. Did not want to do that. So, anyway, so we were away, had a good time. Now we're home. I'm filming this on Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day. So I am batch filming a little bit today. And you should have already seen my catch-all weekly plan with me for this week. That should have already been live once this video goes live. So, yeah. Just trying to get caught up with some filming and things. I have a list of things I want to try to get done this week. But I am okay if I do not get it all done, because we can just work on it next week too, right? Come on. The sticker didn't want to come up, so I'm trying. Oops. There we go. So, I am looking at my planners already. I do need to buy them, like I said in the other video. So I will be buying my new planners here, at least for my catch-all, very shortly, because this one is about to run out. And I like my planner. So definitely am about to place an order with the penny pages. But yeah, so we have some fun videos coming up. Again, this is my birthday month, so I might have a couple hauls go live this month, which I'm really excited about. I've been really trying not to buy much, but I do need to buy, like I said, a new planner, and I am looking at a couple diamond paintings as well that I might pick up, but I'm not completely sure yet. I am actually doing really well with diamond painting. I have a finish for May, which I was concerned that I might not actually have a finish, but I have one at least. I am working on the other one, or working on another one too. Give me 1 second, my phone is ringing. Sorry about that. That was just a quick little phone call. But yeah, so I do have one finish. I'm working on a second one. I don't know if it'll get done, but I'm hoping it might. But I do have a whip, which means work in progress, which you guys already know, or if you have been following, you already know. Two. I've been slacking on the, what is it, Mystery Monday painting. So I actually have 2 whips. Look at me. And I don't really like that. But we're going to finish the Mystery Monday kit in June. Even if I have to batch film. We will get it done. Alright, so we will need nothing's really happening on the 30th, so it's fine. We can put it up here. Alright. So now that date dots are down, I do have a bill. I have Kohl's due on the 1st. Alright, and then we have payday on the 1st and on the 15th. I have my X-Acto knife here. My husband comes home on the 7th. He'll be home on the 7th. Oh my goodness, come on. Okay. Actually, I'll just do this other strip of washi. Go. So he will be gone those days. I have a doctor's appointment at 3. Doc, 3 p.m. on the 5th. And then I do need to put down here and here. Okay. So I do PR for Black Mountain plans. If you use Amy B20, you will get 20% off your entire purchase. These are my scripts. Oh, I do need those too. Okay, but I only need 2 of these first. So I have therapy twice a month. I'm just gonna use these. And I normally have them on Monday. So I have one on the 10th and the 24th. The 23rd, since I'm over here, is my birthday. I'll be 28. So that's all that's going there. And then the 26th is my daughter's birthday. She will be 3 years old. So, boom. Put that down, and then I'm going to pull this off here for a minute. My mother-in-law's birthday is actually the same day, on the 26th, but I'm going to highlight my daughter's birthday. My cousins and grandparents, so Helene, B-Day, and grandparents. Anniversary is on the 19th. Oh, yes, my husband has he has beauty well, not the week that we're currently on a different week, but I'm gonna put it down anyways. And then I think, honestly, I think that's it for now. Yeah, I think that's it. No, it is not. We are having my daughter's birthday party on the 29th. Birthday party, and I do have a friend coming to visit for a night. So I do want to put that down. So Katie here and Katie leave. So she'll be here on the 7th and leave sometime on the 8th. And that is it for now. I do have a bunch of functionals left, so I do kind of like that. So I can add them where I need them to go. And I add and take away and stuff all the time. Actually, we forgot one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. We forgot trash day. I don't have 2, 3. I don't have 4. Okay, that's fine. These stickers are not wanting to come up, so we are going to put down trash day. And then we will be done. So I need 2, 3, 4. I do put it on my weekly as well, trash day, but I do really like having it on the monthly as well. Just in case I need to look at it first glance. And I think I will be having to add more to this because I am going to be signing my daughter up for some classes. So yeah, but I hope you liked this video. You will see this. Hopefully this will be going live on Friday the 31st. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. This planner only has June, July, August, and September left. But we have been successfully in it for a while. And I love it. And then, yeah, so this is how it looks, and I will be adding things, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.